we are taking you to Malmo, which is a beautiful city in Sweden.
The Malmo Kingsparken देखिए कितना beautiful है. You can see the autumn leaves, the serene lake, and quiet and peaceful area. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome to Travelsheesh. जहाँ मैं सदा,
मैं फन,
मैं हूँ आतिफ।
हम लेकर चलते हैं आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे. आज हम हैं माल्मो में, माल्मो स्वीडन. So this is our first Scandinavian trip, right अपन? पहले हम गए थे कोपेनहेगन में and then अभी हम आए हैं स्वीडन में. It's our day trip. So देखते हैं कि यहाँ क्या कुछ है माल्मो में और आपको भी लेकर चलते हैं हमारे साथ. Let's go!
Let's go and have a little bit touch of Sweden.
So guys, we are going towards the station for Malmo, Sweden. अभी हम निकले हैं कोपेनहेगन से. It is our third day. यहाँ हमने day trip लिया है. So we are going to Malmo through the train. At the central station and Atif is buying the ticket for Malmo central station. We are going to Sweden, right?
yes.
And guys, this is the main area where you can find all the restaurants and eating places. But ये है कि स्वीडन में हर चीज़ जो है 11 o'clock पे खुलती है, 11 PM पे. हम पहले अर्ली थे तो एवरीथिंग वाज क्लोज. बट ये कि अब यहाँ खुलना शुरू हो गई. Guys, so we are at the main square of Malmo. This is called the Lilla Torg, which is a little square, and you can see all the medieval architecture and the monuments over here. Afan, where are you standing at? You are one of them? Cool. Guys, on my back side you can see this is the sculpture of old Swedish ruler Charles Gustav. I think I pronounced the name right. So main square पे जो है उसका sculpture लगा हुआ है to commemorate his achievements. So far, what's behind you?
These are the murals who someone painted on the wall.
It's nice, right?
Yes.
You can paint like this?
Yes.
Okay, paint it at the home. And Afan, do you know their names?
Yes. This one is the magic book. This one is street art.
Yeah, that's some magic happening on that book, right? Yeah. So Atif, you're enjoying the perfect autumn vibe?
Yes, a perfect spot for the morning tea. In fact, it's not morning, but still you can enjoy the tea. This views.
Yeah. So guys, now we have reached the King's Garden. This is the Malmo King's Garden. देखिए कितना beautiful है. You can see the autumn leaves, the serene lake and quiet and peaceful area. यहाँ पर आकर बहुत ही ज़्यादा आप रिलैक्स फील करते हैं and everything is very beautiful. आज तो मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है. Although बारिश की प्रोडिक्शन है, but I hope कि rain doesn't happen because otherwise हमारा ट्रिप जो है वो थोड़ा सा मिसमैनेज हो जाएगा. अभी तक तो हमें बारिश नहीं मिली, होपफुली आज भी ना मिले. And guys, on my back side you can see this glass building. ये इनकी नेशनल लाइब्रेरी है, so it is a famous spot also. If you are a reader and you want to read the books, you can come here and sit there and read some books. So guys, this park is for the people who want to enjoy the nature in the peace. आप यहाँ आकर walk कर सकते हैं. You can read a book or you can just sit and relax. Because चारों तरफ जो है काफ़ी खामोशी है, cool breeze चल रही है, birds are flying and you are sitting beside the lake. So it's very beautiful and very peaceful. Right out there?
Yes, very peace and calmful place.
So guys, this park is very peaceful and quiet place. Plus यहाँ पर बच्चों की खेलने की जगह भी है. So if you are coming with the kids, you can bring your kids along and they can play and have fun over there. Like a fun. So fun? Yeah. You want to play area here as well? Let's play some games. So guys, the name of the garden is Slottstrad Garden. And यहाँ उसकी सारी डायरेक्शन एंड आई थिंक हिस्ट्री भी लिखी हुई है एंड गाइडेंस लिखी हुई है व्हाट यू कैन डू इन दिस पार्क. So guys, this garden is huge and every corner of this garden has some unique feature. जैसे आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं पीछे windmill है, अभी आपको दिखाया मैंने flowers garden, और साथ साथ एक पार्ट जो है जहाँ पे restaurants बने हुए हैं. So it's really cool, very big and so much clean. And guys, you can see on my back side, this is the Malmo Museum. So if you are interested in the history and culture, you can go inside and explore it. हम अभी अंदर नहीं जा रहे because we have a day trip. हमें 3-4 जगह भी cover करनी है. So we are just roaming around और देखते हैं कि इस शहर में और क्या कुछ. And you can see on my back side that white bus is from 1945. Those buses are running at that time. And guys, Malmo is a very cute city. हर जगह अच्छे architectures बने हुए हैं. You can see different murals and structures. So which makes the city must visiting.
I just wanna take one more sip. Drink it and I just can't get it.
So guys, now we are at our final spot, which is the Waterfront. और ये यहाँ की जो है अच्छी लोकेशन है. You can see there's a cute lighthouse over there, and beside is the water, and this is some good architecture. He came from Qatar, तो वहाँ भी architecture बहुत अच्छा है, and Malmo का भी जो है architecture is very nice. So चलते हैं और देखते हैं what's inside the water. Let's go.
Tourist attraction, by the way.
Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to know. Yeah, it makes you want to know.
Malmo is a city of university, you can say as well, because we have seen so many universities over there. So if you want to take some good studies, you can come here and you can enroll yourself. क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ देखी और काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को भी देखा. तो आई थिंक इट्स गुड इन यूनिवर्सिटीज़.
And they find job applications.
Just got to move, take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Would you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby.
Fun, can you see this cute little place? You want to sit there?
No.
You know when the sunlight falls on it, it will reflect the colors.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cause I just got to move, take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Would you meet me on the floor tonight?
And guys, on the back side you can see it's the TurningTorso. It is a famous landmark. अभी हम पास जाके भी आपको उसको दिखाते हैं how it looks from near as well.
Makes you, kinda makes you want to know. Yeah, it makes you want to know.
तो गाइस आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, ये यहाँ की सबसे फेमस बिल्डिंग है TurningTorso, जो माल्मो में है. और ये थोड़ा सा सिटी सेंटर से दूर है इसका व्यू पॉइंट, और बस ये दूर से ही व्यू अच्छा नज़र आता है. So it's a nice building.
Cause I just got to move, take a look at all the shining lights.
So guys, if you like our Malmo video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our for more videos. If you got a question, please leave in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, X, and TikTok. And Travelsheesh. Bye. See you in the next video.